Hello everyone, today we will learn how to calculate beta of a stock in Google Sheets. But what is beta? Beta is a measure of systemic risk of a stock, which is the risk inherent in the market and cannot be diversified away. It tells expected stock returns for given market returns. First we will fetch market index data. We need to type the market index ticker for this. We are taking Nifty 50 as a substitute for the market whose ticker is Nifty_50. We don't need to type the index name for Nifty 50 as it is a unique ticker of Google Finance. We are taking 5 years horizon to get the long-term beta, which is not affected by short-term events like COVID-19 etc. Now we type price. We'll type start date as 1st March 2019. End date as 1st March 2024. Interval as weekly because monthly data is not given as default in Google Finance. As you can see, the 5-year data is fetched. We will do the same process for the stock data. The only change in the formula is stock ticker, adding NSE, TCS as our stock ticker. Other parameters shall remain same. You can see, there are some missing weeks for the stock prices. It's quite common on Google Finance. We need same dates for market and stock data. Copy pasting this data to another sheet. Press right click, then paste special and select option which says values only. We are pasting values only so that other functions work properly on this data. I have added these 3 columns. We will find the common dates which are in both market and stock data so that dates unique to one data are removed. We will use the Vlookup function for this. Type is equal to Vlookup. We'll add the date of market returns as the first parameter and, in the second parameter, we will select all the cells of date, column of stock returns. Then comma and we will type 1. 1 means first column of the selected range. This does not look like a date because its format is as a number. We will change it later. Let's drag this cell till the last value of market returns as it has more entries. Let me fix the range criteria by selecting the range and pressing F4. Click on this tick mark to copy the formula till the end. To convert these numbers into dates, we'll select the column, go to Format, in the Number option, choose Date Time. We can see some cells have an A or not applicable written. These are the dates which were unique for the market data. We will remove these 3 entries by dragging all the cells below on these cells. See how I did. Now we have the common dates only. Using these new dates, we will fetch the index values corresponding to the date using Vlookup. First select the date cell, then select both columns of market data by pressing Ctrl, Shift and down arrow. Then type 2 as we want data from the second column of the range. We will fix this range by selecting the range and pressing F4. Now click on tick mark to get all the values. Repeat the process for the stock data. Only change is that the range will be of stock returns this time. We will calculate the market and stock returns for each week. We will ignore the first cell as there is no data prior to this cell. We will calculate returns by dividing the market data by previous sell and subtracting 1 to get the percentage returns. We can also use the natural log for the return calculation. It removes the abnormal returns by standardization and makes the beta more reliable in case of high fluctuations. Type is equal to ln and divide the market data sell by previous sell. For now, we will use the normal method of calculating returns. Select and drag this cell. Now, just select and drag the cell to the right to get the stock data. And drag this too. To convert these cells in percentage, selecting both columns and from format section choosing percentage. The formula of beta is covariance of market and stock returns divided by variance of market returns. Covariance is the measurement of the relationship between two variables. Positive covariance means positive returns in market returns tend to positive returns in stock, and vice versa. Negative covariance means positive returns in market returns tend to negative returns in stock. Variance tells the amount of difference between the values, in our case, returns of market. For covariance, type covariance.s. S means sample. Select ranges of market returns and stock returns, separated by commas. For variance of market returns, type var.s and select market returns range. Now divide covariance by variance and we get the beta of TCS. The positive beta suggests TCS has positive relationship with market. But the value is not significant, showing weak relationship. Thank you so much for watching.